Video mo na ako habang nag-load
It's
ako.
gonna be so loud.
I know, that's why I need to move back. One. Hold on. These are Sega mags. Huh. 3. Okay, let's reload it. Four. Last one. Huh? Is it 5 already? No, 5. Okay. Hey? Let's go. Civet 12. This is a Sega shotgun clone. It's too far. Okay, ready? Fighting.
Oh my God! Ang lakas! Ang lakas, grabe.
More turret. There you go. Come on. What's wrong with this? There you go. It's sticking. Okay, now it's working. Needed a breaking. Let me shoot one more mag. Civet 12. This is a Sega shotgun clone. It's too far. Okay, ready? Fighting.
Oh my God! Ang lakas! Ang lakas, grabe.
More turret. There you go. come on. What's wrong with this? There you go. Oh, it's sticking. What's wrong? Okay, now it's working. Needed a break in. Okay, first mag, the action is sticking. So I have to mortar it to remove the spent shell casing. And after 3 shots, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 3 shots, it's cycling now. So hopefully, second time out or second magazine will have no problems. Alright, here we go. Let's go. So our target's over there. AK style. There we go. Oh, fire. Go to my right. Here we go. Oh, it's still sticking. There you go. Still sticking. Ooh. I have 2 more shells. Finally. So our target's over there. AK style. Huh. There we go. Oh, fire. Go to my right. Here we go. Ah, it's still sticking. There you go. It's sticking. Oh, still sticking. Whew. I have 2 more shells. Finally. Okay, second magazine still sticking. I don't know. 1, 2, third mag. 3, 4. Hopefully, no problems on this third mag. Here we go. Ready? Almost. One round left. Almost. Let's go to the mag. Isa pa. Ready? Almost. One round left. Almost. Let's do another mag. Okay, fourth mag. And then we'll call it. Why is it sticking? The action. Is it the ammo? And this is my last 12 gauge shell. Okay, here we go. Last. Go over there. There you go. Ready? Did I finished? But it did not. Okay. Yeah, it's getting better. I think it just needed a break in. Woo. Okay, here we go. Last. Over there. Last side. Here we go. Ready? Did I finished? But it did not. Okay. Yeah, it's getting better. I think it just needed a break in. Whew. Okay guys, range report tayo. Andito na ako sa bahay, no? Civet 12 gauge shotgun. So ito, naka-pattern to sa Sega 12. Yung action niya, yung accessories niya, Sega 12. Pero made in China to, kaya mura lang. Okay? So, ang una kong problem, nag-struggle ako. Pag-load pa lang ng loaded na magazine. So, safety check. Yan, walang laman yan. Walang laman. Okay? So, makita nyo doon sa video, nag-insert ako ng magazine. Ayaw pumasok. No? Kailangan pala naka-open yung action. Naka-open yung action. So, yung iba kasi na mga AK style magazines, AK style na rifles, kahit sarado yung action, sarado yung bolt, pwede yung mag-insert ng bala. Ito, hindi. Kailangan open. Kasi hindi siya papasok. Kaya makita niyo yung video, nagpa-fumble ako. Hindi ko maintindihan. Yung pala yung shell mismo, tumatama dun sa bolt. So, kailangan mo palang i-open yung yung action para makapasok yung yung magazine. Kasi lampas siya, oh. Lampas. Kung nandyan yung bolt, hindi papasok. There's no way na pumasok. Anyway, so yun yung struggle ko, no? So, wala pa rin yan, ha? And pangalawa kong struggle is siya, failure to eject or failure to extract the empty shells. So, pagkaputok ko, kita nyo, hindi ko na makasa, hindi ko ma-rack, hindi ko ma-extract. Stuck yung shell, kaya minomortar ko, hinahampas ko sa sa ground para lang ma-extract. I don't know kung kailangan ito ng break-in period or kailangan langisan, I don't know. Pero malamang siguro break-in period. Kasi pagka walang bala, wala namang problema. O, pag may spent shell, baka masikip pa yung clearance sa loob pagka alam nyo yung mga bala, shells or casings. Pagka pumutok yan, nag-expand yan eh. So yung iba bumabalik pero iba hindi na bumabalik kaya siguro na-stuck. Nahihirapan mag-extract. So, hopefully, next time na lumabas ako or gamitin ko to, makorek na yun. Baka nga sana no, break-in period lang. Pero share ko lang, no, gusto ko yung handle nito, no, upgraded na siya kahit stock siya, no. Ang nakakatakot kasi sa shotgun pag dumulas yung kamay mo, di ba? Baka mabaril mo yung kamay mo. Pero maganda to, secured. Tama lang yung ano niya, yung stippling niya. And eto, Sega 12 na ano to, muzzle brake. Nakatulong talaga to sa recoil, no? Malakas lang yung shotgun pero hindi ganoon siya kalakas sumipa thanks to the all steel muzzle brake. Pang Sega 12 yan. Kasyang-kasya. So, that's it. Murang shotgun kaso sumablay siya sa unang range time. Hopefully break-in period lang, no? Ganda pa naman niya. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.